Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got this other set from onemorebricks.com. So you build the anvil, then you start building the fire. Then a weapon rack, and this is it all together. So it comes with this blacksmith. He's got his hammer stuff into shape. He's got this sword he's probably made. He's got this basic face, all you need. Got some torso printed on the back and on the front. Then sorry about that. We've got his basic anvil, basic build, nothing too fancy, does the job. Then we've got the bucket to cool the stuff down, and to simulate water there's some blue and white studs and this cool sword. There's also this little hen or chicken. There's this barrel with some spears, probably weapons he's made. Then on the armour rack, it's a nice little rack, there's a bucket, some shields, little dagger, some helmets and some armour. And last but not least, the fire. And to simulate the fire, we've just got a mixture of blacks, sort of coal probably, or burnt stuff, red and yellow. So they go in like so. The camera can't really pick up good with black. It's a broom. A shovel, probably to shovel coal in, I'm not sure. A broom to clean up. So overall, if you want some quick Lego accessories, One More Brick has you sorted. Model kits made with Lego bricks. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment in the comments section below. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe to check out all our latest videos and hit the bell notification icon to receive all our updates. We are also on Facebook with many different updates, and we have photos we're posting on there now. We're making little mocks, little scenes. We're on Twitter. And we're on Blogger, so please check them out. And this backdrop, Johnny Bricks, it's new. We've still got quite a lot of white pieces left, so if I have to make it longer I will. And we're planning to do an video intros with it, but I'm still figuring that out. Please support this channel, help it grow, and help spread the news and the word. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.